Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Lexus NX on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down those rear seats should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through the controls as I mentioned from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way around, the wheels and the paintwork alike. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. Following on from that, as we move right, we have the gauge. It shows you how much of the hybrid power you are using. Within that section as well, you can see the vehicle is turned on by the green ready symbol there, and that it's in electric vehicle mode as I sit here now, and that is represented by the EV that you see over to the left there. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles. They are 19,363. You can change the information that's displayed there for various different bits of info, all accessed via these buttons. We have below that our lane departure warning system. Over on the left hand side we have phone controls, stereo controls, and behind the steering wheel the minus and plus paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do so. Over into the centre next we have the main screen for the car. So you can of course see that it has satellite navigation. You can also see that I'm going through various different menus on the screen here without touching the screen. Everything is done down here. So this works, and you might better hear it clicking in the background, but that works like a trackpad would on a laptop. You can go to your menu, you can scan through things, you can push it down to enter into certain menus. So for example, if I swipe over to the left here, we can input a destination for the satellite navigation. We can access our audio menu. You can see we have AM, FM, DAB radio. We have, it might be a bit harder to see there, a CD player, USB input, and Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can, of course, pair up your phone. We can go into this apps section should we wish to, and then you can have certain Lexus-friendly apps projected up onto there. And you can see it also turns into this pointer, so you can literally highlight any of these menus that you want to, or as I said, you can go into the main menu and just swipe through everything down the bottom here. Very, very easy system to use. On top of that, we have a full color reversing camera. Working our way down, our dual zone climate control. Either side of this clock, you can adjust the driver temperature, you can adjust the passenger temperature, the fan speed for the vehicle, and the direction of the air the direction you'd like the air distributed in, I should say. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. If I hit auto, the car will now take control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain those temperatures. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away and allow you to put it back on your own settings. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side there. Below that, we have physical stereo controls, including our volume. Our CD player is just there. We can change the driving setup of the car as well. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, of course, and then 2 cup holders as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope is the spare key, 2 keys in total of course, the V5 registration document showing it's a 1-owner car from new, and then we have a printout from Lexus for the service record just here. So 2022 as you can see, 2023, 23 again for a regular service and hybrid health check, and then again in 2024 for both of those things. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.